Hey Ma, do you want to try some Spanish bread and biko?
Yeah.
They're both ube.
Oh. Another one of that.
She loves
I like
it.
that. That's good.
Yeah.
I like that caramel on top.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a
It's so good.
caramelized on top.
And the other one is
And
a
then what's
Spanish
the-
bread. It's just like a pastry. That one's ube, and then there's a filling inside, an ube filling.
Oh, it's all ube?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, it's more like a bread.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm. The ube
Wow.
flavor is really strong in that one. I love ube.
It's just like a sweet,
It's like a purple
Like
sweet
a-
potato. Yeah.
both very tasty. The jalapeno cheese.
Yeah, that's
lumpia, is that
it's
just a
lumpia, yeah.
Okay.
It's in a lumpia wrapper, but it's like a jalapeno popper and a lumpia wrapper.
Ooh.
Let me know what you think.
I love jalapeno poppers.
Yeah, me too.
Oh man, that is tasty.
I've actually never had one like that before, but that one is
Ooh,
so
I like
good.
that
Uh-huh.
a lot. They're easier to eat than a jalapeno popper.
Uh-huh. It's
Those are
genius.
kind of like